Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add glowing effect in CapCut PC. So you can see like so. It's very simple. So you can select your video to the track and just going to effect, and you can find this angel effect and shadow effect. So just add and put in your section that you like. For instance, I'm going to put here, and then you can adjust for the strength. So here we go. Okay, I think this tutorial is very simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. So don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and a short thanks. Bye bye.